Hi. Are you reading a book? Are you reading a book? Is that book very interesting? You're a good reader, huh? Dog, dog, dog. Yeah. Woof, woof, woof. You have so many dogs. Can you pet your dogs? Can you pet them? Say, nice doggy. A nice doggy. Nice doggy. Where's the doggy's ball? Where's his ball? Oh. And let me help you. Look, this dog feels fuzzy. Can you feel him? He's fuzzy. Yeah, he's fuzzy. Do you feel how soft he is? How's he feel? He feels soft. He feels soft, huh? What do you see? What's this? What is that? What is that? Dog. Doggy says, woof, woof. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Our book is coming apart, huh? Well, because we read this book so much that it's coming apart a little bit. Would you like to say hello to the movie? No, you're busy watching your own movie, huh? Woof, woof. Can Mommy help you? Look. Jessie, what's in there? What's in there? What's that? What's in there? Did you find the cat? There's one cat. That cat says, meow, meow. Meow, meow.